Hey Manasi,
Hi Snehal.
how are you?
Great, how are you doing?
Doing good. Tell me, how can I help?
I want to change my pricing as per occupancy. Can you suggest?
Yeah, sure, that's very simple. You just go to yield management under old extra.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Yeah, welcome. Yes, Manasi.
Hi Snehal. On a second thought, can I check my ADR before changing the rates?
Of course, you can switch to dashboard to find your area.
Alright.
Hi Manasi.
Hi Snehal, it's me again. I'm confused. ADR and occupancy based pricing are just not working for me. Can you suggest a better solution? I think I may be missing out on something.
I see, Manasi. Let me get back to you on this. I'll need some time.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.